Welcome to our channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. This is not financial advice, but for educational purposes only. Always do your own research and consult the services of a professional. The 21st century economy is defined by credit. You'll need a lender to issue you a line of credit if you want to get a mortgage, a student loan, or even a credit card for a fancy dinner. In order to receive such credit, you must prove to the lender that you deserve the credit line. Your 3-digit credit score is the key to your successful financial life that determines your worthiness to receive credit. Now, you may ask, how do I know if my credit is good enough? Good credit reflects that your financial condition, as well as your life, are on track. This can influence your insurance premiums, or even the type of apartment you're accepted for. Good credit scores may be used by lenders to determine loan eligibility, credit limit, and interest rate. A credit score of 700 or more is generally considered favorable for a score ranging from 300 to 850. Meanwhile, having bad credit makes you a risky candidate, and while your score suggests how you handle debt, some creditors will generalize this trait and may lead to your loan getting disapproved. The amount of money you can borrow is determined by the lenders you pick, the type of credit loan you select, and whether the lender looks into other factors than just credit. Stay tuned as we teach you the smart strategies on how to rebuild your credit score. Number 1. Pay your balances. Your payment history has the most impact on your credit score. It usually works in your advantage if you pay your bills on time. Another option is to consolidate multiple credit card debts by using a balance transfer credit card to pay them off. If you have a number of pending debts, applying for a debt consolidation loan from a bank or credit union to settle them all off could be really beneficial. Instead of having several payments, you can now focus on the one payment and getting it paid in full. This may result in your credit utilization ratio and your credit score being improved. Number 2. Track your progress. Always remember to list your debts, the amounts owed, and due dates. Cut costs where you can, such as cell phone plans, cable, internet services, car insurance, and other things. Instead of buying your lunch every day, take leftovers to work. Ride your bike to work if you can. Get innovative and stick to a budget. This will get you on the road to financial success. Number 3. The benefits of a secured credit card. When you have a bad credit score, getting a credit card might be difficult. A secured credit card is a solution worth exploring if you can't get approved for a standard credit card. A secured credit card requires you to provide a deposit as collateral. In the event you stop making payments on the card, the creditor will keep the deposit. Now, if you continue to show the creditor that you are capable of paying on time, your deposit will be refunded at some point. Having this type of credit card can aid in the restoration of credit and getting approved for other credit easier. Payments are recorded in your credit report, so making timely payments will help you improve your score. Number 4. Live within your means. Debt keeps you living paycheck to paycheck and keeps you in emotional distress. If you overspend on shopping or while on vacation, it's time to reevaluate your spending habits. If you notice you're regularly overspending, maybe it's time to focus on living within your means so you can manage stress and ensure financial success. After a week or two, you might be shocked at how much money you spend on tiny, unnecessary purchases. Observing your receipts may help you realize that you don't need to borrow anymore. Number 5. Always pay with cash. Start practicing to leave your credit cards at home when going out. and only purchase something through cash if you can afford it. If you don't have the cash to buy it, take time to evaluate and consider if you really need the new item. According to experts, one can feel the loss and experience greater discomfort each time cash is used. This psychological truth can assist you in saving money. Instead of using your credit card, have tangible money and spend only what you have on hand. Number 6. Check the details. It is truly in your hands to ensure that the information on your credit report is correct and updated. Get into the habit of checking your credit report at least once a year. Check for the following on your credit report: misspelled names, accounts with the same name, home addresses, employer information, review the inquiry section, ensure it was a business you requested credit from, and lender information. Number 7. Call creditors immediately if you miss payments. Late payments, adjustments on payment schedule, and significant outstanding balances can be mitigated by quickly informing your creditors. If you don't stick to the timetable you agreed on, chances are creditors will be less eager to cooperate with you. You'll also decrease your prospects of acquiring credit in the future. Number 8. Monitor your credit utilization rate. Credit utilization is the second largest impact to your credit score. This makes up about 30% of your overall score. Having a high utilization can make it difficult to get a loan for the best terms. Some of the ways to keep your utilization low is to pay your credit cards off before you receive your monthly statement. And do not close accounts, as this will decrease your credit score. An example on how to calculate your utilization is as follows. $3,000 balance spent divided by $20,000, which is your credit limit, equals your utilization rate, which in this example is 15%. You can use this method to track your utilization on each credit card. Keeping your utilization low can help increase your credit score. The significance of a credit score in today's world cannot be emphasized enough. Only by understanding the role of credit scores and identifying steps to fortify it will you be able to improve it. Take these measures to boost your credit score right now. Subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you for watching.